Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is a 6.5 month update on an interesting patient that is a relatively tall person who has made the transition from female to male. And like several other people that we worked on, almost the day that they started taking testosterone, they went bald, just like their dad. And so we did a strip case, and this person's curse is, there's a relatively big head, a lot of real estate to cover, and relatively fine
Yeah,
hairs.
his hair is like peach fuzz.
Yeah.
It's like very thin.
And so we did, I think, 2,850 grafts, which is what we got out. And here's pictures at the end of the case, and then at a week, and then a picture sometime this spring, and then we're right in the middle of COVID, and so we saw this person at 6.5 months. And here's pictures inside and outside, and that's pretty good.
Yeah.
I know they're real happy, and what did they say? They said something about they had a school picture taken, and for the first time, they didn't feel like they were the oldest person in the city. Yeah. So, and then here's a close-up of the scar, and there's, I won't say plenty of hair for the future, but there's certainly hair for a second case to finish off that crown next year or the year after, whenever the skin needed. But so to summarize, number one, we like working on people that have gone through this story because generally this makes a big change for them.
They say it's life changing for them.
It's hard enough to go through all that other stuff and then to not have hair, and to go from having a lot of hair to not having any.
Yeah.
That adds to it, and we usually fix that.
Yeah.
And second is, even though the person's young, they got my hairline because that's going to look reasonable, not beautiful, but reasonable when they get older. And second is it takes a while for it to work. So at 6.5 months, this is probably a little ahead of schedule, but at 13 months, 14 months, I think
It's gonna look great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if we can help you, please give us a call. Thanks.